Good afternoon. This is the second class, children. As you know, last time we did in class 10 trigonometry portions. We given some formula that I hope you are done it in your chart papers. Like I show you once again, this chart we made it last time. You can, I hope you are making all these charts ready, and it is really help you when you solve the problem in the exercises. Okay. Aro ekta kiba koi thakisile, you know that Pythagoras theorem. I told you, no, Pythagoras theorem will help you to solving problem, the process or formula what you learned last classes. So that will be reconsidered again. I'm telling you, what is the Pythagoras theorem? I told you, square of the hypotenuse. Look at here. If I draw a right triangle like this, is a 90 degree, then hypotenuse refer this. The square of the hypotenuse, if I consider AC is the hypotenuse, B is a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse means AC square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So any two other sides you can write in the first and second place. So if you write AB square, it should be write BC square. If you write BC square, it should be AB square. That's what we discussed already, in order to find the unknown side value. Okay. So that's already you are ready. Now you come problem solving. Some problem will solve with you, which will really help you on the chapter. What is the formula you learn? Okay. So please write down one questions will solving here. Say question 1. Given that tan theta is equal to, tan theta you already know, tan theta equal to say 4/3. This is the ratio. Understood? Then you have to find all T ratio. T means trigonometric ratio. Okay? Understood? Before you go to the problem, I'll give you one little instruction of the sine theta and all. If any time they can ask you, what is actually sine theta, tan theta, cos theta? Are they product? Is the product of sine and theta or tan and theta? Is the product of say tan and theta? Is the product of tan and theta. Which one? Tan theta. Is tan theta, you can say, is tan theta is the product of tan and theta? The answer will be no. They are not product. It is just like a single. Then what is this? It's just like a single symbol, like alphabet A. Look at here, A. Can you write A is equal to this into this? No. Because it is a single symbol, because it is a single symbol. Okay. So like tan theta also, sine theta also, cos theta, all the T ratio are single symbol. It is not a multiplications. Okay. It is a single symbol. We indicate a trigonometric function of tan in favor of angle theta. That's a function only. That's a ratio. You know, function is a term of ratio. That's why we never think is a product like 4x, 5x, 3x is not. So please remember this crucial point. Every time we can find tan theta equal to a tan cancel, should not that. This is not the rule. Okay. It will not be a problem as of you can manage it, but when you go for higher classes, like in class after class 10, 11, 12 on JE and all, that time it will be very crucial part. Okay. So please don't try to misguide this part. Clear? So on the basis of thought, we'll solve these questions. Okay. Now look at here. Is that angle theta of a right triangle? I told you trigonometric. Say for example, it is a right triangle. We consider theta. So like here theta. So we can, in solution part, you can write like this. Let a right triangle ABC, comma, angle B equal to 90 degree and angle C equal to theta. You consider this. So according to the theta what we told earlier, the opposite side of acute angle is perpendicular and adjacent side which is nearby except hypotenuse, that's called base. So you already selected in this triangle, this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. Now what we have here in our side, we have tan theta which is given, see 4/3 is given. But what you know the formula, last time I told you the flow chart, tan is perpendicular by base, yes, turn permanently black. Which one perpendicular here? AB. So that means this perpendicular 4/3 we can refer as AB and base we can redirect it here BC. So what you know from here, AB is 4, K. Why K? Because it's a ratio cannot be actual value. It may be 40, 30, it may be 12 and 9. So after make it the lowest term, we got this part. So that's why in order to get the actual value of the side, we consider a constant variable K. Likewise, BC equal to 3K. So now we come here, BC is 3K and AB is 4K. Still we don't have AC. Last time I told you how to find AC with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Clear? So by, you can make it short form, Pythagoras theorem, also you can write like this. Pythagoras theorem, what is that? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB? 4K square, 4K whole square and 3K whole square. So when you say whole square, both under square. So please try to remember this, because many a times you can find many students sometimes writing 4K square means they make square, they forgot to write K square. That's why I am using this word whole. Whole means everything inside, okay? That is has to be 16K square plus 9K square. So it's give us 25K square. So AC, what is AC now then? AC will be square root of 25K square and is give us 5K. Square root of 25, 5, K square, square root of K. So we got here 5K. Got it? Now they are asking to find all T ratio. So now after finishing this, you can find all the T ratio. Sin theta, P by H. What is perpendicular here? See here, 4K and H is 5K. So 4K by 5K, K cancel, you will get 4 by 5. So we get the sin theta value 4 by 5. Then all the T ratio 6 we already discussed, cos theta, curly brown here. So base is 3K, hypotenuse is 5K. So K cancel, will get 3 by 5. Then tan theta, we have, they are given in the questions, 4 by 3. Others are reciprocal, you already know, no? So what will be cosec theta? Reciprocal of sine. If it is 4 by 5, you can write directly 5 by 4. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So sec theta, you got 3 by 5, you can write now 5 by 3. Like here, cot theta, you can P by B. This P by B is 3 by 4, you can write now B by P. So this is the way we can find all the T ratios. Clear? So now, in order to solve the problem, this type of questions, you have to solve like this. First, you have to draw the right triangle, mention what you consider, come to with Pythagoras theorem, find all the sides value you know, then only you can able to find the T ratio. Clear? So please copy down this. Today we'll give you some assignment from the exercises, as because in Nagaland board the math textbooks will give some assignment. Please relating the solve, what is the problem, we'll solve it here. You have to copy down this and you refer this and solve that assignment. Clear? So this is the question 1. Now we come to question 2, second questions. Clear? The questions will solve not like exercise. The questions I choose in order to help you solve the problem in the exercises. So if you follow this, refer this, you can solve the questions. Many questions. Clear? So now for question 2 I am showing you here. Is it clear? Okay. Now question number 2. Now we come to another type of problem. How to solve this type of problem? Look at this. The question is, in right triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, comma, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify 2 sin A into cos A equal to 1. Look at this. Here the right triangle we consider angle B and acute angle is A. So no need to consider theta inside. A consider as an acute angle. Clear? So supposing we draw a right triangle here, is a 90 degree, ABC. If it is the acute angle A, see here, trigonometric function of acute angle, the opposite side will be as perpendicular and the adjacent side will be base, and opposite of 90 degree we can consider as hypotenuse. Clear? So now we start with this in solution. Say they are given what? Tan A is equal to 1. They are not having, there is a ratio, but nothing is their denominator, we can consider 1. But we know the formula of tan A is perpendicular by base, perpendicular by base. So therefore we can say 1 by 1 is equal to perpendicular is here BC and base is AB. So we can refer here BC consider 1K and AB consider also 1K. Is it clear? So now if both are 1K, so we can write here 1K is 1K. So but we don't have this, we have to find. So then by Pythagoras theorem, what you can say? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. You can write any other name also. So it is 1K square whole square plus again 1K whole square. It will be 1K square plus 1K square is become 2K square. So if it is AC, how to find? Root 2K square. So it become root 2, we don't have in square root, so as it is K square square root is K. So we got here root 2K. K is not under root. Clear? Now we have to prove this. You know all the values. Easily we can find this. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Clear? So left hand side. What is left hand side? 2 sin A into cos A. What is sin A formula? P by H. Perpendicular by hypotenuse and cos is base by hypotenuse. Now look at here in the figure. What is perpendicular stand here? 1K. And what is hypotenuse stand here? Root 2K. Into base, look at base is how much? 1K. And it is again root 2K. So this KK cancel. So what you are getting here? 2 ones are 2 ones. So we get 2. And we already know in class 9, with the same root if you multiply, you will get the same number. Like root 2 into root 2, 2. Root 3, 3. Root 4, 4. Like that. So if you cancel this, how much you can get? 1. Look at right hand side, 1. So we got the LHS start and we got RHS here. So this type of question also you can able to solve in this way. Clear? So another type of questions will show you. So please write down this. k. Now we'll go to the another type of question. Question number 3 is your today's part. Question number 3. I hope with these reference questions what we solve today, it will really help you. If 8 cot theta equal to 7, then evaluate 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. You have to solve these questions. See, in this type of questions, they are given cot theta, they are not given ratio, but you have to find the ratio, okay? In solution part, look at this. In the side I draw a right triangle, A, B, C. They are given theta, so you can mention here or here, anywhere. So you consider theta here. So you can write here, let a right triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, angle C equal to theta. Since they are given 8 cot theta equal to 7. So we have to find the cot theta ratio, not only the number of cot theta. So only cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. This 8 you can divide here. So we got the ratio as like last time we show you, no? So now with the formula we have the opposite of tan. Tan is P by B, it's B by P. What is B here? This is B, this is P, and this is hypotenuse, opposite of 90 degree. Clear? So now 7 by 8 can be referred as BC by AB. So we can direct BC is equal to 7K, consider, and AB equal to 8K. As like before, by Pythagoras theorem. What is that? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Square of the hypotenuse. This square will be sum of the square of these two sides. Clear? So AB is 8K whole square and it is 7K whole square. So it's become 64K square plus 49K square. So it will be, add it, (113K square). So what will AC? It is root 113K square means root 113K. So the AC you got root 113K. Now we have to prove this. Evaluate means find the value, not prove. Evaluate means find this value. You have to find the value. So come here. Therefore, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. You can use directly value also. Sine theta, cos theta value you know directly put. But I'll give you one idea. There is one algebraic formula to be applied. Look at this. These two are same. These are same. These also same. So if I consider this is A, this is B. So A plus B, A minus B, like down also. So what is the formula of A plus B into A minus B? Look at this. This is the algebraic formula. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So this formula we have to apply here. So if it is that, we can say 1 square. 1 square is 1 and sine square theta. And here 1 square is 1 and cos square theta. When you go to the next exercise, you have this formula also once again. But as of you don't know. But when you come to the next exercise, if this question comes for your exam, you can use another formula for that. So that time the problem will be much easier means shorter. But as of you don't know the formula, we can apply this value. See, if I put directly the value from here, I have to use 2 times both the formula. Now I have to use only 1 time. The problem is shorter. So what we will do here, 1 minus sin theta is P by H. What is P here? BC is what here? BC is 7K and 8K here. So perpendicular is 8K. So we can write here 8K by, it is what? Root 113K whole square, because there is a square. Look at this. And here also 1 by base, this is a base, 7K by root 113K whole square. So K is cancelled. So now how much you can get it here? 1 minus 8 square is 64 by 113. Root square is, root under square means it's come to 113 only. Like root 2, last time I told you, no? So like 1 minus 49 by 113. If you take LCM 113 here, there also LCM 113. So 113 minus 64 and 113 minus 49. So this 113 cancel, you will be getting how much here? 113 minus 64. 49, and here you will get how much? Tell me. 64. So this is the way we can find this value is 49 by 64. Understood? So this is also one type of questions. So then another one more type questions we have that also will discuss with you. Please write down this. Remember this formula. Lower class we learn already this formula. Okay. Now we come to the last part of the questions which you solve. Easily you can complete the exercise. Okay, the last questions. In triangle OPQ, comma, right angle at P. This is the symbol I used. OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Right, RT dot is RIGST and is a symbol of angle at P. This centimeter, comma, OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Then determine the value of sin Q and cos Q. Clear? So these are the questions. So first of all, in solutions, you have to draw a right triangle. So in the right triangle at P. So you make it here P, OQ, you make it. OP is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. This is 90 degree means this is hypotenuse. Okay. Then they are given OQ minus PQ. We don't know this value. What is OQ, what is PQ, we don't know. So any one of the value you have to consider some different constant term in order to find this. Okay. So we can write here in right triangle OPQ, since, or we can say let PQ equal to X centimeter. This is we consider X centimeter. Clear? Then since OQ minus PQ equal to 1 centimeter, we put this value here. OQ minus X centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. This X you bring it that side. So OQ equal to X plus 1, both are centimeter. So X plus 1 centimeter. So what you got here? x plus 1 centimeter. Sorry. Now, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem in order to find the value of x. Then only easily you can find this value. Clear? So, you can write by Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Hypotenuse is here now. OQ square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So, OP square plus PQ square. Clear? Now, OQ, what is that? X plus 1 whole square. What is OP? 7 centimeter whole square. This is all centimeter. Plus PQ also x centimeter whole square. So, this also centimeter square cancel. So, both sides centimeter, automatically it's cancel. So, we will come to other part. Now, this one you can bring this side to solve also, or you can apply a plus b whole square formula also. Okay, what is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1, 2x into x into 1, 2ab plus b, this is a, this is b, you consider, b square, clear, is equal to 49 plus x square. So, now see, both sides have same term with same sign, we can cancel it. So, what do we have here? 2x, 2 into, this is called dot called into, multiplication. So, 2 into x into 1 is 2x, and this is plus 1 equal to 49. 1 take that side. So, 2x equal to 49 plus 1. So, x will become 50 by this 2. Cancel, you will get 25. So, x is 25. So, there means what you can say? PQ we consider as x, this one. So, is considered as now 25 centimeter. And what is OQ? OQ we got here x plus 1 centimeter. Look at this. X is 25. So, 25 plus 1 centimeter means it's 26 centimeter. Now, we have to find these two values. Look at here, sine q. Sine q equal to, we already know perpendicular by hypotenuse. Which one perpendicular? As angle is q, that means perpendicular is this and base will be this. If angle is O, then that will be change. So, what is perpendicular? And this is hypotenuse, already know. You already know this is hypotenuse, opposite of 90. So, P by H, what is P here? 7 centimeter by, what the value we got here? X is 25 and it is we got 26, isn't it? So, P by H means 7 by 26 centimeter cancel. What is cos Q? Is base by hypotenuse. What is base here? 25. What is hypotenuse? 26. Supposing if they ask you what is the value of sine O or cos O, they can ask also. Please remember, if they ask these two, then how to find? That sine O means this is the angle. Look at this, sine O. If I find sine O, P by H, that if it is angle O, perpendicular is changed. The perpendicular will be changed. If it is the acute angle, perpendicular will be here, base will be here. Try to understand. So, what is P by H? 25 by 26. 25 by 26. What is cos O? Cos O will be, see, is a cos O. If they are asking cos O, base by hypotenuse. That means 7 by 26. You can find tan O or everything. Understood now? So, with the help of this, you can solve exercise question also. I will give you some exercise questions. Please write down the assignment. You have to practice at home. Okay? Then easily you can solve. I think it is done. I will write down the assignment up there. Okay? I will wrap these questions. I will just refer the exercise. Clear? Okay. You have exercise textbook at home. So, please refer this exercise 8.1 in trigonometry. Question number 1, question 2, question 5, question 8 and Question 10. These 5 questions you have to do at home with the refer of the problem that you solve. So, sab bujhise bola? So, on that way, you practice at home, aro baharte na ulabi, chupchap gharte bohi kina, you do your work sincerely, listen your mommy and daddy, and is grateful, you should be grateful to Doordarshan and grateful to Director of School Educations. They bring you live coverage in the TV and audio also. So please utilize this, because here also in Kohima we are doing this. It's some cold also in the evening time. I hope you are feeling better there at home. You attach with your daddy and mommy. All of you, stay safe, stay home, and do assignments sincerely, because this is your part of your education. Thank you.